Equations and inequalities. We'll begin by looking at solving equations. Pause the video and have a go at examples 1 to 4. Example 1. Solve 3x minus 5 equals 19. The aim here is to get x equals, so we have to remove the 3 and the minus 5 from the x. We'll start off with the minus 5, it's further away from the x. It's the last thing you'll do in your order of operations, so it's the first thing you'll do when solving an equation. So we remove the minus 5 by adding 5 to both sides. Remember, if we want to get rid of this minus 5, we have to add 5, that will give us 0. That will give us 3x on the left hand side. And whatever we do to one side, we need to balance it out by doing the same thing to the other side. So we do 19 plus 5, and that gives 24. If 3 x's are 24, we always divide by the number of x's. So 1x is going to be 3 times smaller than what 3x would be. So we divide 24 by 3, and that gives us 8. Example 2. Solve 5x plus 3 equals 10 minus 6x. Here we have an x on both sides. When that's the case, we should remove the smaller number of x's. And the small number of x's is actually the 6, because it's not 6, it's minus 6. And minus 6 is smaller than 5. So we remove it first, and we remove that by adding 6x. We've got to do the same to both sides to balance it out. If we add 6x to the left-hand side, we've got 5x plus 6x, which gives us 11x. So that's 11x plus 3, the 3 is still there. And on the right-hand side, we've got 10. And the minus 6x has been removed. It's went to 0x, or just 0. To solve the next bit, we have to get rid of that 3. So we remove the 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. We're left with 11x on the left-hand side and 7 on the right-hand side. And if 11x is equal to 7, we want to find out 1x, so we need to divide 3 by the number of x's. We divide 3 by 11. So x is 7 over 11. Example 3. Here we can see there's brackets on both sides, so to solve the equation we have to begin by just expanding those brackets first. So we do 3 times x, which is 3x, and then 3 times 1, which is 3. On the right hand side, the 2 stays there, where we expand the second bracket. 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Before we solve this, we can simplify, because on the right hand side we've got two terms that are just simply numbers. So the rest of it will stay as it is, but we've got 2 take away 15, which is minus 13. We then look for the smaller number of x's, which is the 3x, and we remove that by subtracting 3x. What we do to one side, we do to the other side to balance out. And we end up with 3 on the left hand side, 3x on the right, and minus 13. We then want to remove the minus 13 because it's on the same side as the x's, and we have to add 13 to get rid of it. Do the same to both sides, and you get 16 equals 3x. And then to get 1x, we always divide by the number of x's, which is 3. And we get that x is equal to 16 over 3. We can write 16 over 3 equals x, or we can write x equals 16 over 3. It doesn't matter which side the x is on at the end. And you're probably best leaving your answer there as a mixed number. So 16 divided by 3 is 5, and 1 left over, that's 1/3. Example 4. Again, we've got sets of brackets which we can expand. So we would multiply 10 by 2x, and we get 20x. Then it will be 10 times minus 1. 10 times 1 is 10. Positive multiplied by negative is a negative. Then it's minus 4 times x, which is minus 4x. And minus 4 times minus 3. 4 3s are 12. and a negative multiplied by a negative is a positive. On the right hand side, we've got the 7, and there's a bracket here. There's no number in front of it, but it's not 0 because otherwise there'd be nothing there. So the number in front, it must be a 1. So we're going to multiply that bracket by -1. That's one way you can do it. There are other ways. So -1 times x is minus x. And -1 times 6 is -6. There's lots of terms there, so we want to simplify that before we go any further. We look for our like terms. We've got a 20x and a -4x, which gives us 16x. We've got a -10 and a +12, and that gives us 2. Notice we only simplify one side at a time. You don't use these terms to try and simplify with these terms. You only can work with one side of the equation to simplify it, and then look at simplifying the other side. Don't try to bring the whole thing together. On the right hand side, you've only got two terms which are like. That's the 7 and the -6. And 7 take away 6 is 1. So we end up with 1 take away x. We remove a smaller number of x's, which is the -1x. To remove that, we add x to both sides. That gives us 17x plus 2 equals 1. We then want to get rid of this 2. So we subtract 2 from both sides. And that gives 17x equals -1. And then we finish off by always dividing by the number of x's. So we end up with quite an awkward number here. We get x is -1/17, or -1/17.